Hi parents, check out the LUTIKING Baby Playpen, a spacious 79 by 71 inch play yard perfect for babies and toddlers. It comes with a soft mat and 50 colorful ocean balls, creating a fun and safe play area indoors or outdoors. The playpen includes 4 pull-up rings and a multifunctional storage bag to keep kids entertained and organized. Assembly is quick and tool-free, allowing you to set it up easily without hassle. Made from durable 300D Oxford fabric with sturdy mesh, it's soft, odorless, and easy to clean. Safety is a priority with steel tube sleeves, protective cushioning, and non-slip suction cups to keep the playpen stable. Plus, the 360-degree mesh design lets you watch your little explorers at all times. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.